Hello there. Welcome to Kuki Decor. If you're a wine lover and appreciate the beauty of rustic decor, you're in for a treat. In today's video, we're exploring stunning wood wine rack ideas that will transform your space into a stylish and functional wine display. Whether you're looking for a DIY project, a space-saving wall-mounted rack, or a grand freestanding design, we've got something for every style and budget. Rustic wood wine racks are not just about storage, they add charm, warmth, and personality to any home. From reclaimed wood masterpieces to sleek modern rustic designs, we'll showcase some of the best ideas to inspire your next home decor upgrade. Plus, if you enjoy DIY projects, we'll share some simple yet elegant ways to create your own wine rack. So, if you love interior design, creative home ideas, and all things rustic, make sure to subscribe to Kuki Decor and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's dive into the world of rustic wood wine racks and find the perfect design for your home. Stay tuned, and let's get started. One of the most striking aspects of rustic wood wine rack designs is their use of natural materials. Reclaimed barn wood, weathered driftwood, and aged oak are some of the popular choices. These materials carry a history, showcasing knots, grain patterns, and imperfections that add character to the piece. The use of such materials not only enhances the rustic aesthetic but also promotes sustainability by repurposing old wood into something functional and beautiful. Wall-mounted rustic wood wine racks are a popular choice for those looking to save space while making a statement. These racks can be simple, consisting of wooden planks with carved-out slots to hold bottles, or they can be elaborate, incorporating wrought iron accents, engraved designs, or vintage-inspired hooks. Some designs feature integrated glass holders, making them multifunctional pieces that serve both practical and decorative purposes. When mounted against a textured wall, such as exposed brick or distressed wood paneling, these racks create a captivating focal point in a dining area or kitchen. Another impressive variation is the freestanding rustic wood wine rack. These designs range from compact tabletop racks to full-height cabinets capable of storing dozens of bottles. Many freestanding racks are crafted from thick wooden beams or logs, showcasing the raw and organic beauty of natural wood. Some are designed with metal reinforcements or rustic hardware, adding an industrial touch. Others feature hand-carved details, bringing a sense of craftsmanship and uniqueness to the piece. These racks often become conversation starters, as they exude a timeless appeal that draws admiration from guests. For those who prefer a more creative approach, repurposed rustic wine racks offer endless possibilities. Old wooden crates, ladder shelves, and repurposed barrels can be transformed into stunning wine storage solutions. A vintage ladder leaned against the wall can have horizontal planks added between the rungs to hold wine bottles. Similarly, an old whiskey barrel can be cut in half and converted into a charming circular rack with individual compartments for bottles. Such designs not only serve a functional purpose but also contribute to a home's unique character and storytelling element. Live-edge wood wine racks bring a more organic and artistic feel to rustic design. These racks maintain the natural edge of the tree slab, showcasing the unique curves and patterns of the wood. When paired with wrought iron or copper brackets, the result is a harmonious blend of rustic and industrial aesthetics. These racks can be mounted on the wall or used as countertop displays, adding a sculptural element to the space. Their handcrafted nature ensures that no two pieces are exactly alike, making them a prized addition to any wine lover's collection. Another rustic wood wine rack idea incorporates built-in designs. Custom-built wine racks integrated into kitchen cabinets, under staircases, or within dining room buffets provide seamless storage while maintaining a cohesive rustic theme. These built-in solutions often feature distressed wood, barn-style sliding doors, or wrought iron details to enhance the aesthetic. Such designs are perfect for those who want a sophisticated yet homey touch, offering both convenience and charm in a single piece. For those who enjoy a DIY challenge, crafting a rustic wood wine rack can be a rewarding project. Simple designs can be made using reclaimed wood planks, nails, and a little creativity. Weathered pallets can be dismantled and reassembled into wall-mounted racks, while old wooden drawers can be converted into charming countertop wine holders. Adding personalized touches such as engraved initials, stenciled designs, or vintage hardware can make the piece even more special. DIY projects not only provide a sense of accomplishment but also allow for full customization to suit individual tastes and space constraints. Lighting plays a crucial role in enhancing the beauty of rustic wood wine racks. Soft, warm lighting can highlight the wood's textures and create an inviting ambience. LED strip lights hidden behind wooden panels or vintage-style Edison bulbs suspended nearby can add a dramatic effect. Incorporating under-cabinet lighting for built-in wine racks can make bottle labels easier to read while creating a sophisticated yet cozy atmosphere. Rustic wine racks are not just limited to indoor spaces. Outdoor wine racks, designed for patios, garden bars, or alfresco dining areas, bring a touch of rustic charm to entertaining spaces. These racks are typically crafted from weather-resistant wood such as cedar or teak, ensuring durability against the elements. Some outdoor designs feature built-in ice buckets or wine glass holders, making them perfect for gatherings and social occasions. When paired with rustic wooden furniture and string lights, these racks create a picturesque setting for enjoying wine under the stars. A key feature that enhances the appeal of rustic wood wine racks is the integration of mixed materials. Combining wood with wrought iron, leather straps, or copper piping can elevate the design while maintaining its rustic essence. Wrought iron holders add a vintage charm, leather straps provide a soft yet sturdy grip for bottles, and copper piping offers an industrial contrast to the warm wood tones. These elements work together to create a balanced and visually appealing design that complements various interior styles. Rustic wood wine racks can also serve as display pieces for more than just wine. Some designs include small shelves or compartments for storing corkscrews, wine stoppers, or even decorative items such as potted plants or framed photos. Multifunctional wine racks enhance usability while adding a personal touch to the decor. For wine collectors who enjoy showcasing their finest selections, open display racks with angled slots can ensure that labels are visible, allowing guests to admire the collection. Rustic wood wine racks can also serve as display pieces for more than just wine. Some designs include small shelves or compartments for storing corkscrews, wine stoppers, or even decorative items such as potted plants or framed photos. Multifunctional wine racks enhance usability while adding a personal touch to the decor. For wine collectors who enjoy showcasing their finest selections, open display racks with angled slots can ensure that labels are visible, allowing guests to admire the collection. Incorporating a rustic wood wine rack into a home bar setup enhances the overall experience of wine enjoyment. Pairing the rack with a distressed wood bar counter, vintage bar stools, and antique glassware creates a cohesive and inviting atmosphere. A well-curated bar area with a rustic wine rack as the centerpiece can make entertaining guests more enjoyable and visually striking. Ultimately, rustic wood wine rack designs embody the perfect marriage of practicality and artistry. Their timeless appeal, sustainability, and ability to blend with different decor styles make them an excellent choice for wine lovers and design enthusiasts alike. Whether opting for a simple wall-mounted rack, a grand freestanding cabinet, or a creative repurposed design, rustic wine racks add warmth, character, and sophistication to any space. By embracing the beauty of natural wood, celebrating craftsmanship, and integrating thoughtful design elements, these wine racks serve as both functional storage solutions and decorative masterpieces.